Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to capture a Creditors Stock Invoice from the Creditors segment. When implementing a stock management system in your practice, it's important to consider the various types of creditors that may be involved, including manufacturers, assistants, or service providers. By directly capturing invoices within the Creditors segment, your practice can achieve a smoother workflow and enhanced efficiency. In this video, we will start on the Creditors Screen. Select the desired creditor from the creditors list who is supplying materials or medicine to the practice. The creditor sidebar will open. Click on a Stock Invoice button. The Stock Warehouse screen will open, prompting you to which warehouse the stock needs to be assigned to. Please note that all stock items, whether materials or medicine, needs to be assigned to a warehouse. For more information on how to set up a warehouse, please refer to the setup of the warehouse's user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Select Warehouse drop-down menu and select the applicable warehouse. Click on the OK button. The Stock Invoice Details screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections displayed on this screen. Ensuring that all essential details are completed when capturing stock invoices is vital for generating easier and more comprehensive reporting. The creditor's essential information will automatically populate in the top left corner as it was initially entered into the creditor's creation process. Notes regarding this particular invoice can be made by clicking on the Note text box. To attach a hard copy you have of the invoice, click on the Add button. The Add Edit Purchase Task screen will open. Click on the Choose File button to upload an image of the invoice from your local device. Alternatively, you can click on a Take Photo button, which will open the video capture screen. To learn more on the features of the video capture screen, please refer to the How to Upload an Image Photo user manual linked in this video's description. Once satisfied with the uploaded images, click on the Save button. To take a look at the uploaded images, click on the View button. Complete the invoice number in the invoice number field as it appears on the invoice received from the creditor. Click on the invoice date field, which will open the date picker, and select the applicable invoice date. Please note that this creditor has been set up as a VAT inclusive creditor, therefore the amount that needs to be entered in the total including VAT must be the VAT inclusive amount. The system will then automatically work out the VAT amount on the invoice and complete it in the VAT field. If a creditor was a VAT exclusive creditor, the amount will be entered differently. The total excluding VAT amount will be entered along with the VAT amount and the total including amount individually. Complete the invoice line with the applicable information. You may add as many invoice lines as preferred by clicking on the Add button. When capturing a stock invoice, each item will have a small block underneath the line item to indicate the different prices on the line items. Please note that the total amounts of the invoice line items must match the total invoice amount for processing to be possible. To remove a specific invoice line, click on the Delete button within the respective invoice line. To remove all of the invoice lines, click on the Delete All button. Click on the Post Transaction button to post the stock invoice. Please note that the Post Transaction button will be lighter and inaccessible unless all the information on a stock invoice has been entered correctly.